Today, just gonna do a quick video on this. It's actually a Hellcat. Customer complaining about a thumping noise when driving, mainly going in reverse. And so we will take a look and show you what we got. But as far as what it's here for, the drive shaft center support bearing has come apart. So this Hellcat will be getting a brand new drive shaft replacement. And there's the brand new unit. It's straight from the dealer. Comes with the new hardware and everything. And that's what we will be installing. This is the main portion that's damaged on that guy. So we'll get that torn apart and replaced. So quickly to just explain how I did the exhaust on my own, I left the brace, one of the two braces with one nut on each side loosely, dropped from the hangers and from the manifold and let it fall onto this, dropped the car on the ground to where it's at, took the bracket off, and then popped it off of the manifold, and that's where it's at.